Victoria Tayadita. Young niggas ain't even got clash, that's one. Okare goes girl a piro to the clash. She not even menere over the top. Ada sawara ra next to your star. Karega Bugatti go get tag blood. So splata jo. Karega Bugatti go get tag blood. I'm fan of Victoria Tayadita.
Baga bai thadalo dalaga nyu kutraga di jele matata na. Zeni go kasi ga bofari kanga kamo go pusha le santa ya. Tripa le sela ki chimpile ko da diesel tari zetanga ey. Chale ga ba baske velan twara still like a big batanya ya. Ana mate digi betela bega ma fello le dogo a wira le sil. Ne fella forno ke tose back tropa le mate dingozo ke chume wo kwai.
Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Denzel. I'm back again with another exciting video. Well guys, since I've promised you that I will upload a video on my YouTube la khona ngizonifundisa ukutrader, so please don't mind the language. I'll be using different languages, so it is gonna be a blend. Okay. Okay, like I said guys, so remember I said to those ones who are in my WhatsApp group for beginner traders, I did promise you guys that I'll release a video on my YouTube whereby I'll be giving you some basic knowledge about forex. So guys, as like I said in the group, I said, well, Mina, I've started trading when I was at the age, okay, let's just exclude the age. I started trading around 2021. Okay, so yeah, it was 2021. So yeah, like I was trading on my own, so there wasn't someone who was teaching me how to trade. So like it basically like ngizifundisile mina, and like ngazisechela. So like there was no one who was guiding me yabo angpa like in knowledge about forex. So what I'm trying to say exactly guys is that the information I'll be giving you here, it's not like it's a full information or like yonke into ikhona should like yonke into engizoyikhuluma yiyo give into emele uyazi ngeforex. Like there's some other things I don't know which are basic things, basic needs, you know. So some of them I don't know them because of, like I said, there was no one who was teaching me forex. Umuntu like I can say he or she like is a pro trader, so I was on my own. So like izinto engizonipha ilezi mina engizazi, and they won't be all, cause like I said, this video is a short detailed video. So yeah, and again guys, okay, we'll jump to that one. Let me just finish. So like I said, it's a short detailed video, and some of the other things like I would say maybe I forgot them, you know, because sometimes, you know, our brains used to forget then remember afterwards. So okay guys, like I said, so this video is going to be a short detailed video. To those ones who will like me to teach them, like to have a private session with them, like I said in the group, that guys, there'll be an amount that you have to pay. Then I'll teach you until I would say for a month. So there'll be an amount that you pay for a month. So like ama lesson lawo kuzoya ngawo ukuthi wena ufuna ukuqala nini. It will depend on you. It will depend on you when you want to start. About the time, which weekday, stuff like that, or maybe you wanna do it throughout the weekend. So it will depend on you. Mina, I just offer them for a month. So what I'm trying to say is that if maybe you pay me that certain amount, name, and let's say for a month, okay, you say for a month, I'll also make for 2 weeks, 1 week, 3 weeks. Okay, for 1 week, 2 weeks, and a month, you know, yeah, so that some of you can squeeze it in, because some of you might not afford the ones for a month. So like, okay, I'll also make for a week, 2 weeks, and also a month. So like, let's say guys, you pay me you pay the amount for a month, okay. Then you say on Monday, now I won't be able to trade, I won't be able to join you live, so may you please postpone it. Okay, it's cool, I'll postpone it. But then when now you'll tell me when you like you're good. So like even if maybe you only have one session in a month, you know, so it will be your fault. So like I won't push you. If you say when these days I'll be busy, this weekend I'll be busy, this week I'll be busy, I don't mind, guys, as long as you know what are you doing exactly. Because well, you did pay me for the lessons, but then when it's time for you to join me, then you give me excuses. I won't say anything, you know, I won't say anything. So like those are the terms and conditions. And also for Ivege, it means like if I say for a week, it's up to you. If like you wanna join me in each and every day, Monday up until Friday, it's okay. And also it's up to you, Guti, when you join her twice in that week, it's okay now, on mine. So okay guys, let's just jump straight to the video. I'll just talk more after we are done with this session. So like I said, this video, it will be a short detailed lesson. So yeah, let's just jump to it. So guys, we'll be analyzing the US30 chart. So as you know guys, I'm a chart. So like this video guys, if like you are empty, you don't know what are charts, something like I'm a trend line, it was jalo guys, those ones like those ones I would say I'll be able to teach you on during the private lesson. So on this one we'll focus on like the secondary basic, you know. So yeah guys, first thing first, before you analyze, you have to know where would you start, where are you going to start to analyze, and what are the things you have to do before you analyze, or before you capture an area that you're going to start analyzing it. So what I'm trying to say is, you can't just say let me do this. You can't just say when sorry. Okay, you can't just say Guti when like, oh dang, what is happening? Sorry about that. So as I was saying guys, you can't say like, okay, this is a chart. Okay, let's say maybe you were on a 1 hour time frame. So this is a 1 hour time frame. Sorry guys, let me just check this thing. I'm not sure if okay, yeah, it's all good. So let's say like you were about to analyze, then you are like, okay, I'm on a 1 hour time frame. You can't just say, okay, this is my chart, it's a 1 hour time frame. You can't say, let's say maybe when you do have that that analyzing strategy, like maybe you say, when it's like this, I'm just saying, I'm not saying it's going to do like that. I'm just saying, maybe you're saying, okay, I'm gonna put a trend line here, then I'm gonna put another one here. Okay, maybe you say I'm going to put another trend line here. So this is just an example, guys. I'm not saying the market will do like this. So maybe, okay, sorry about that. Yeah, as I was saying, guys, so maybe put another trend line here, and you're like, okay, since the market has broke through this trend line and retest, it will buy up until this area here. No, that is wrong. You can't just analyze a chart by starting at the 1 hour time frame. Yes, you can do that, but only if you are scalping. But yet now, Mina, since you're a beginner trader, like Mina, advice how to don't do that thing. So what you're gonna do is, every time when you're about to trade, when you're about to analyze, what do you have to do? What do you have to do? Sorry guys, don't mind the background. I'm with my car. I mean my brother here, so yeah. Don't worry. I'm sorry about that. Yeah. So what you're going to do, you just go to a higher time frame. Higher time frame. So I'll say you should start at least on a monthly time frame, because 6 months or 12 months there's nothing here. You won't, like as you can see, there's nothing, like the market isn't saying anything, you know? So I would say you should start, like I prefer a monthly time frame because of like also it is a little bit better than the other ones, the higher time frames, meaning the 12 month time frame and the other ones. So guys, first thing first, you're going to check ukuthi umarket like ujika kuphi, no, the la kuba ne liquidity. If you don't know what is liquidity, I'll just explain it to you. Wait. So you're just going to put a trend line. So basically what I'm saying, like you bigger, not a trend line, I mean a horizontal line. This is a horizontal line. The big horizontal line, la market like ujika corner, where the market like is changing a direction. So you're just going, like as you can see here, there's only 2 of them la are visible. Okay, then after you have marked you have placed the horizontal line la market ujika corner, where the market like is changing direction, or where the market like plays around it. So then you move to a shorter time frame, which is a weekly time frame. Going to a weekly time frame. So as you can see, weekly time frame, then okay, let me do this. This is our weekly time frame. So as you can see, the market around here, I'll just use a box so that you can see clean. So as you can see, the market around this zone here, around this area here, the market like like which means like this area, it has been respected by the market. Why am I saying so? Because if you can check, guys, the market went from here, yathi mayifika la in this area, the one that I've lena ngiyenze ngebox, like ithe mayifika kiyo yathena change direction, so then yaya up, yafika ya consolidator inside this box, yadlala kancane, then it broke through, then yabuya, and again it broke through, yaphinde yasela, and again it broke through. So like this area, as you can see, like the market respect, as you can see here, and also here. So like as you can see, with like the market, it respects this zone. So what you're going to do is you won't use the box for now. The box you'll use it on, I'm sorry about that. The box you're going to use it on shorter time frames. So now we're still on a weekly time frame, so we don't use a rectangle yet. So we marked this area right here. Okay, and again here. Okay, so like as you can see also here, this area was also respected, this line. So guys, like I said, on a weekly time frame, again you are going to place the horizontal lines whereby the market was changing a direction, or whereby the market was playing around. The chart the chart, I can also say the chart, it was playing around like most of the time. So for now here the market like went to this area only once, it bounced once. So for now we won't use this area. I'm not saying we are not going to use it up until, so then for now we are not going to use this one. So we'll go here. The market, like, did the market play around this area like for a couple of times? The answer is yes, because like as you can see here, like the market has been playing around here and it changed my direction, it broke out through, it retest. So then I'll place this horizontal line here, and then I'll just place this horizontal line here, and then after I place this horizontal line, I'm gonna go to a shorter time frame, which is what for daily time frame. So now we're on a daily time frame. Again, we'll be searching for the areas whereby the market is like bidlala khona ningi, la the market was retesting, and also like la market to respect khona. So this area again here, this one, as you can see again, yes, I can see here itachile, and again here itachile, and again here it did touch, but then it's not a clear one, so we are not going to use it. So we move on and we look for another respected area. So you can check here, this level here, this level here, the market has been playing around and it's visible. Good market where you respect this level, like it does respect this level. So you're going to place the trend line again. Okay, then again you're going to look for another level, so which is here. Guys, I'm gonna be a little bit faster. If then maybe our understanding I was way too fast, please comment below. Then yeah, I'll just explain to you, or just elaborate more to you. So okay, let's move on. Now we are going to shorter time frames, starting from here, 4 hours. We're going to a 4-hour time frame. So guys, since we are on a 4-hour time frame, ne? This is a 4-hour time frame. What you're going to do now, remember, on a monthly time frame we did place 2 horizontal lines, and one was at the peak of the chart and one was at the bottom of the chart. So let's go back there. Let's go there. Okay. See. So you can see. So what you're going to do now, you're going to change the color of this horizontal line. Good thing I found in a laser, the other ones that we've used, and make sure that you don't forget these colors, ne? So I'm going to use the blue, the light blue color for actually, yeah, it's blue, the light blue color for AMA monthly time frame. Okay, so AMA weekly, NAMA daily, it's okay, you can use the same color. But then if you wanna change the color, it's also okay. But then for me, I only change the color of the monthly time frame into horizontal lines and more, etc. So guys, yeah, like I said, then you go to a 4-hour time frame. Now we're on a 4-hour time frame. Okay, as you can see now, things are now visible. they are now visible. As you can see with the areas, the levels that you have marked, like you can see with vele the chart idlala khona, like ya retesta, it breaks through, yenzani ya consolidator kulawa ma area lawo. So then as you can see, now what you're going to do, since you are on a 4-hour time frame, so now we are on hours, what you're going to do, you'll go where the market like has ended, or where the market is currently at now. Okay, so which is this area here. So what you're going to do is you're going to place, you first thing first, you are check good market wenzani. Okay, like as you can see, there's also a level here whereby the market did retest and change the direction. So we're going to place this thing, then the color, you change the color. Since now we are on the hours, maybe we'll use the black one for our hour, a black horizontal line for hours. Then again, as you can see here, okay, this one is not clear. Okay guys, so okay, it's cool, it's not clear, we'll just move to lower time frame. But then before we do that, as you can see, now we are going to focus on this area here, on this area, because this is a recent area la market udlala khona. Okay, this area le engimarking ngobiyelo, the one just I've just circled. So yeah, now you're going to 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame. Okay, again, then now you're going to look for levels whereby the market has been okay, let me fix this. Sorry. So like as I was saying guys, so now we're going to look for a level whereby market beyidlala khona kaningi. So like, okay, as you can see this area here, this level right here, let me just place the horizontal line so that you can see properly. So like as you can see guys, around here like market udlala khona kaningi. Okay, so like, okay, we're going to search for another level. This one here, you can also use it, but then for now, okay, let's not use this one. Let's go to this one here. Okay. Okay, I'm sure guys are getting the gist of it. Simple to place the horizontal lines, guys. You just check like market udlalelaphi kaningi. Most of the time good market retesta where u change direction, where u consolidate where. So like, then before you go for analyzing, because now we are done. Now the thing that is left, as I was saying, so like the only thing that is left now, good value, like now you can analyze. Because like you did place the trend lines, not the trend lines. You did place the horizontal lines. I'm a trend line. We are going to use them when you're analyzing. So before you use the trend lines, I just wanna introduce these things to you guys. Just wanna make you familiar to these things. I know some of you nyazazi, some of you maybe don't know them. So like, we are having three types of charts, which is a bullish chart like ihamba kanje, like iyakhuphuka ne, So like, yeah, it is ascending, ne, on a slope. Let me just say it like that, ne. So then this one first, okay, let me break this one down. The ascending one, the bullish one, this is the bullish bull. Yeah, bullish, this one, it's a bull. So as you can see, like, it's bullish. This one is bullish. Iba kanje bullish. So like kuba nama buys, maybe this ipayile here, then iyasela, and amaselo akhona akabi made because of it's bullish. When the chart is bullish, like ama buy, it means like into the percentage ama buys, it's high. It's higher than the percentage of ama sales. Because of why? As you can see, monga checker this distance from here until here, it's longer than it distance from here until here. Same applies to this one. It distance from here, from here until here, it's longer than the distance from here until here. So it means like Tina must trader, when you are trading or a bullish market or a bullish chart, we'll be focusing much on the buys. So Amasel will ignore them. Why? Because of Amasel, they are not safe enough. Cause like this thing can buy, ne? Let's say, wait, let me just change the color and make it green, because if I buy it becomes green. Let's say it buys, ne? It buy. Then my figure like change direction. Let's say now it sell. Okay, now it's selling. My sell. Anytime when I expect ukuthi ingafika isele la ku trend line, can't know, maybe this buy being paid. So the buy was wait guys. So like as I was saying, should like this thing can buy, ne? It buy. Then my figure la is sell. Then you guys will enter for sales and think ukuthi the chart will go back here or maybe somewhere around here. Cause like I said, kuti, yeah, like the chances for a chart my sell ukuthi ama sales are longer than ama buys, they are less bullish on a bullish chart, ne? So like let's say, like I said, let's say you buyer, then you sell, and when you enter, like the chances ukuthi wena uluze or blue account akho, they are high. Cause like I said ukuthi on a bullish chart, like we focus on the buys, ne? We focus on ama buy. Why? Because of ama buy ngiwo athatha like ilokanje eningi, like ngiwo aba nthini, ngiwo like ukuthi abamade ukudlula amasell. Cause like amasell most of the time akabi successful. Ingasell ifike la, then ibuy futhi, then iphinde isele, then ibuy, isele, ibuy, then ibuy futhi, isele, ibuy, isele, ibuy. So yabo amasell wakhona, they are not guaranteed, yabo. So that's how the bullish chart works, ne? So okay, let's go back. Okay, like I said, this one is a bullish chart. Let me just write it in I call bullish chart. So now we are going to a bearish chart. the second chart is bearish opposite yale ngama kanje. So like the bearish chart is descending, ne? Yeah, descend. Okay, wait, it means be guys, because that one is fucked up. Sorry for the language. Okay, as you can see, my drawing say they but then I'm sure you are getting the gist of it, ne? Let us not focus on the drawings, ne? Must focus in into the important things. So like guys, as I was saying, this one is a bearish chart. The chart may hamba kanje. It's on a bearish trend, ne? Or bearish flow. I don't know which way this one, but then it's okay. So according to your knowledge, ne, like, cause this one I did give you a hint. So, and I said this one is opposite yale. So I said on this one, on the bullish one, we are looking for buys because of Amasel account. They are not guaranteed. Like Amasel account, they might not be successful than Amapice account. Shoot Amapice account, they are long than Amasel. So here it's the opposite. Here we are looking for sales, not the buys. Why? Because of Amapai walana, they are shorter than Amasel walana. Because like as you can see here, if I then check spread sell, it's longer than this one. Then foot here buy. Check the distance le AA hambile from here until here. See, it's longer than this one. So on this one you're looking for Amasel. Okay, you're looking for Amasel. Then guys, let's fast forward, you know. Let's just pace up because I don't want to make this video too long, you know. I just want to summarize this thing, you know. For more if you want like a detailed lesson, you have to text me on WhatsApp or comment below. Then after you have comment, then it's so cool WhatsApp, or to the ones who are already in the group, you can also send me a message throughout the group. Yeah, then if you want a fully detailed lesson, then we'll talk inbox my price. So then, okay guys, like I said, this one is a bullish, it's a bearish, and this one's a bullish. Let me just write this one here. Bearish chart. Okay. So in the third one, the last but not the least. So the third one, this one I'm sure it's obvious. Gents, you know it. You know it. This one, the third one is this one, the obvious one. Le S formula. I'm a double top, double bottoms. Normally this one we use it when we are scalping. This one we use this one when we are scalping, ne? Because of Isipama double top, double bottoms, ya consolidator. Okay, can also be triple tops, triple bottoms. Okay, but then those ones I'll just elaborate more on them on a detailed lesson. Okay, so like the third chart, it's this one whereby ihamba so chart yakona maybe it. Okay, these drawings are better than those ones. So a trend line yakona, you have all pulleys, you use a horizontal line just like back then. So this one guys, I forgot to put my visa and bengilphethe igama lakhona. I forgot the name of this kind of chart. But then this one, like I said, like on this one there are double tops, double bottoms, double top, double top, this one double bottom. So what's happening on this one, Guti, like the market scalper. What is scalping? Scalping is kind of like a market, like you mark the highest level that has been respected. As you can see here, it's this one. So like let's say this market bought from here until here, then you sell. Then my seller, when you're looking for buys or for sales for an upcoming sale, so you sell a month. Then you see Guti, the market, let's say the market was like this previously, maybe big bearish, then you shincha, then you join here. Let's say it was like this, then you join here. Okay. Okay guys, so let's say the market was like this. So it was on a bearish trend, then you join here. Then like I said, then it bought around here. My fella, I say. Then my seller, maybe a consolidate around here, consolidator on a lower time frame, maybe let's say on a 5 minutes time frame. Then buy at my sale around here. Then you see, okay, no, this area here, it's being respected. The one that I'm going to mark with this rectangle, this area here, it's been respected. Why am I saying so? Because you can see the market came from a bearish trend, and at my figure la yenzani ya relax, ya dosu more, and ya change direction. Liquidity. This we call it liquidity. Now buyers you go they know. If you don't know, we also call it liquidity, whereby the market rests and then like kuthathwa imali, then you change direction. That's all. So then tiapa liquidity, and then say let me figure la, you see what, okay, buy manje ila, maybe let's say buy it, you see good, no, this area here is being respected. How about I mark this area here? Let's say being a figure this here. Okay, let me do like this, because hey, you guys may let me just do this. Where's my rubber? I just need a rubber. A rubber neck. Where's the rubber? Do they have a rubber in here? Okay. Guys, I don't think they do have a rubber. Let's see here. No? Okay, I'll just do this, guys. See, color pants. Like, there's still time. Okay, let's say the market name. Like, as I was saying. Hey, man, what is happening? Man. Sorry. So let's see the market then. Buy. Sorry, gents. Sorry, guys. Okay. Let's say the market. May say this area buy. Then sell. Then like I said, buy food. Maybe let's say the chart now it's around here. Sell buy food. Let's say the chart it's around here now. Let's say a chart it's around there. And you're like, okay, since this area here, I'm sure like you know 3 types of charts: the bullish chart, the bearish chart, and this one. Let's call this one the consolidating chart. Okay, the scalping chart, okay, whatever, because I forgot the name of it, ne? But then I'll just write it on the comments. So then let's say now this chart now, man, you want, okay, now I see this area here is being respected, because if I did buy, then I change the direction and I gain my figure buy. How about I mark this area too? This one. Let's say maybe you mark it like this. And you wanna see, like I said, good on this, like on this chart, you can enter for buys, you can enter for sales, because most of the time I'ma sell, I'ma buys on this chart, like they are equal. Let me say 98%. Like they are equal, like let's say what I'm trying to say is, maybe if you're a buyer here, let's say I change direction, is sell esuka la yofika la, it's equal as ibuy le esuke la yofika la, because like I'm just like in this tight area, like, so yeah, not like maybe they are on a trend line, so like it's relaxing, there's those more. Okay, let's continue, guys. No, so then you are wondering, okay, how about I mark this area too? And you're like, okay, let me mark it. Then say you mark using this, because you be only 1 hour time frame, so you have to use these things, this rectangle thing, because like I'm a candlestick in Hazanjan, but then so we are okay. So then we are like, no, since I've marked that area, let's see what the chart is going. Okay, then we are waiting for the chart now. You wanna see with this chart? Sorry guys, my mouse, young train, young club. So like, you know, okay, then as I was saying, you buy. Oh, guys, I'm sorry. Then you're like, no, okay, let's see with the chart is a react anjan. Then let's say the chart it buy. My figure like he said, okay, and you're like, ish, then it buy. And my figure it like maybe it's all around, let's say then he said, let's say it's now around here, ne? Now it's around here, and they're like, okay, it means the areas that I've marked, the one at the bottom and the one at the top, the markets respect this area. So then we are like, okay, it means for me putting enter said it's now safe, because of why? This area we are good, it take profit there uzoimaka group. Okay, then let's say, okay, you enter for sales here, around here and enter for sales. Then you'll be like, okay, let me enter for sales. But before you enter for sales, remember, back then I said, before you also enter for a trade or before you analyze. So now like this rule, you're also going to apply it on shorter time frames. Let's say you are on a 1 hour time frame, and okay, you see good, okay, now this area, these two areas that I've just marked, the market like I respect on this consolidating chart. Then you go to for you check the level whereby the chart like it used to play around it. Then you can see good, okay, here the chart, this chart. Okay, so let me just use this one. Let me just use this one, guys. Sorry. Let me just use the. So like you see good, okay, here this chart like it also respect this area. Why am I saying so? Then you go to into your rectangle. As you can see with from here, like this chart, change direction lapha, then yaphinda, and here change direction. So then, so we don't say, just gonna pull it. Okay, it's like that. Then you're like this. Sorry. Okay, let's say manage it's like this. Let me just change the color of this thing. Let's make it pink for ladies. Bonus with, you're also welcome in this video. There's no racism here, there's no discrimination, there's no apartheid. So yeah, I was just kidding, guys. So yeah, like I said, then you're like, okay, this area here, it's also respected. And let's say like chart is around here. Now what I will do, I won't enter here because of we are not sure this thing in at my fear to this area. Yes, because the market, guys, the market is crazy. Guys, this is how people do, because people will say, okay, since this area is being respected, okay, now I'm safe to enter for sales. For sure it's going to return here. Guys, that's how people do. Let me tell you this day. Let me tell you how does this thing work. This is how, like, sometimes you'll see, guys, when you're you start trading using a real account, you'll see sometimes it's difficult to make money, sometimes it's easy, because of like sometimes the market and like it's not like we manipulate into the market. So like T9% we are trying to predict into ezowenza market afterwards. So when I will be like I'm entering here, let me tell you, this market ingathi my figure la, yes, you enter for sales, isell mayfika ku area lesimakile iphindi ibuy idlala isell iphindi ibuy idlala isell, then iyenze kanje, maybe i-retest, then ikhanya izobuya la. This is what the market can do. Trust me, I know these things, guys. I know good, like I'm not a pro trader, but trust me on this one. The market can do like this. I'm telling you. You can even ask God if it was possible. I'm just kidding, guys. Okay, so like I said, if I was the one who was about to enter for trade, I wouldn't enter here. Why? Because of the chart. Like I said, this area here is being respected. The chart can still consolidate around this area. Then it broke it through maybe after 3 hours. No one knows, because you are on a hourly time frame. At least maybe if you were on a 5 minutes time frame, maybe it might take 20 minutes for it to go in this area. Then it break out, then it retested and it said. So now we are on an hourly time frame, and you are like, okay, I'm entering right here. The market, my eyes will to show you. So what I will normally do, solution, guys. What I will normally do, I'll watch the chart. Good izokwenzani here at this area. Each chart isell, and I see good. Okay, let's say maybe iye phezulu kancane ingafiki at that area. Let's say, or maybe yenze just like that time, the way like drew those lines. Okay, but then okay, let's focus on the new one. Let's say yenze kanje, maybe it return it back up. Then let's say now the chart it's here. Or maybe let's say again, because because seems like this one and two samang it will return up. Let's say okay, it sells, then my area maybe let's say you'd see that on maybe on a 5 minutes time frame it was consolidating around this area, the one that you have just marked with the rectangle, then it break it through. What I will normally do, that's when we use this thing, your checker, the entry points. Like I said guys, this is a short detailed video, so I won't tell you what you wanna my entry points and stuff like that. So like I'll wait for an entry point from here. I might enter here for sales, or I might wait for I might wait for the market to retest, then my retest and wait for an entry point here, then can place on my sell one. Same applies to buys guys. Same applies to buys. Let's say the market was about to buy. Let's say the market was here, and once it was around here, I wouldn't enter here. I'll wait for it in Pt1 and maybe it can do like this. Then my alarm, maybe I'll see my entry point, maybe a retester, then shoot up to the level that we say it respects. See, so like then okay, let's say then let's say okay, then we want the trade, then yeah, buy. Let's say at least it was around here. Okay, this one it's reasonable, it's better. You can enter for trades. You can enter your trades. Oh, I'm sorry about that. You can enter your trades. You can enter your trades. Why am I saying that? Because of what? It's still early. So what you can do is you can enter for sales. Maybe let's say it gave you a confirmation, like a good entry point. Let's say it gave you around here. You can sell. Then let's say yeah, sell. Then what you're going to do is you place, there's this thing called the stop loss and a take profit. Let's say your stop loss will be around here. Let's say this is your stop loss above this zone. Then your first take profit, you have to place it around here before the respected area. Why? Because of so that you can cash out while it's still early. So it means you are safe. You can enter for sales and then obtain that amount, that certain amount that we bambil. Then afterwards, if you don't want to cash out, or like cash out some of your trades, then you can update your stop loss, maybe place it around here. If the market does this, maybe if you are around this area, then it should back up. At least you are safe. Is a shy stop loss, then you will have something. Or if maybe you can watch it, but then I would say use the stop loss. But sometimes some of the trades, sometimes you don't have to place a stop loss. You just watch the market, like Guma lower time frames. So like guys, like I said, this video won't be long. So for now, like I think I'm done, because I've been here for more than an hour, guys. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it. Share it to others. Comment below. Tell me if it was helpful. Yeah, if it was, please hit that like button. Share it to others, and don't forget to subscribe. So summary, before we end this, let me just do a summary again. A summary. Yeah. Like I said, we go to, I know, like, because this is my first video, guys, doing a lesson, because like teaching you guys how to trade, because so it don't be because I know my the way I've started, like it was a little bit fun. If you know what's that, it means you and me were on the same page. Just kidding, guys. What I'm trying to say is that I might have a better start, like this one. What's that? Oh, I'm looking for a monthly. Okay, So let's go here. Recap guys. Recap. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Like I said, on them, like before you analyze, before uzo mark the area whereby you'll start analyzing. Firstly, you have to go to higher time frames and place ama horizontal lines. Look for levels la market idlala khona kaningi, whereby the market like changes the direction or irrespect. Then afterwards you go to another lower time frame. I just went to 4 hours, okay, but then guys, if you like be fast, you just watch the video again and again until you understand it, until you feel satisfied. So also look for areas la market to maki udlale khona kaningi. Then yeah, then afterwards you mark the area whereby you start analyzing while you are still on a higher time frame. Then after I've introduced 3 types of charts, and I did explain that on a bullish chart is whereby the market like it's going on an upslope. It's ascending. So like and I've also noted Uguti when the market it's bullish, we are looking for buys because of buys they are longer than the sell way too. Then I went to a bearish chart. Then a bearish chart I've also noted Uguti on a bearish chart you are looking for sells because of sell you are any profit earning buys and they are more safer than buys. Then I went to the last chart which I said this one I'm gonna write it here, consolidating chart. I told you guys that I forgot the actual name of this chart, but then I'm gonna use this one, consolidating chart. And I told you this chart buys and sell corner like most of the time they are equal because like market is throughout 2 marked areas or 2 marked zones, like, and in this chart like it's whereby you find double top and double bottom. This chart is mostly preferred when you want to scalp. So lava scalper they do use scalping when the chart is like this, because you can't scalp when the chart is bullish or bearish. That's very impossible. So like I said guys, this video it's a short detailed video. So then we'll come up again with I'll come up again with the part 2 video, because this one's a part 1. So that's when we'll start introducing ukuthi trend line wasebenzisa kanjani, stuff like that. And I think part 2 ngeke ibe this long, just like this one. I think it will be short because like I said, video la they will be short detailed. For if you want fully detailed lesson whereby like ngizokupha more information, like you have to text me on WhatsApp or comment below, then yeah, we'll talk and tell you the prices. So guys, again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it, share to others, and don't forget to subscribe.
Young niggas ain't even got class or twat. Okare goes girl up here to the class. She not even minute over the top. Ada sawara next to your star. Karega bugatti go get a blood. Fish, so splata you. ka reka Bugatti go betega plata mfana Victoria tsena ditata
Baka ba ithata lo dlala ka nyuku Traka di jele mathata na Tseni ko kasi ka bofa di kanga Kamo ke pusha le santa ya Tripa le sela ke chimpile kota Diesel lo tali ze tanga ey Chale ka baba skebe la ntwara Still like a biga batanya ya Ana matedi ki betela bega mafelo le dogo wa wida le silo Nefela fona ke those backdrop le mati di ngozo ke chume bo kwai